Leader of opposition in Lok Sabha Rahul Gandhi today claimed that the Enforcement Directorate was planning a raid on him following his Chakravyuh speech in the parliament. Taking to X, Rahul said, "Apparently 2-in-1 didn't like my Chakravyuh speech. Enforcement Directorate insiders tell me a raid is being planned against me, waiting with open arms with tea and biscuits." Guwahati Medical College Hospital (GMCH) is battling a surge in Japanese encephalitis (JE) cases, with 90 patients admitted since April 1, 2024, resulting in 22 deaths. Dr. Abhijit Sarma, GMCH Superintendent, reported a significant increase from last year's 54 cases. Currently, 40 patients are being treated in critical condition, while the rest are stable. Many of the deceased arrive in terminal stages. The Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee of Manipur STDCM has refuted Chief Minister N. Biren Singh's claim that the current crisis stems from the Manipur High Court March 27, 2023 order on the Meitei tribe ST status demand. STDCM General Secretary K. Bogendrahit noted that the Chief Minister had previously identified factors such as illegal immigration, forest encroachment, and the war on drugs as the crisis root causes. The Tripura government will relocate the Land Customs Station LCS from Manughat to Murtichera in Unakoti district following objection from the Border Guards Bangladesh (BGB). Despite acquiring 100 acres from the Manughat LCS, development stalled due to BJP's reference to the Indira Mood Pact, which prohibits construction within 150 yards of the international border. The Meghalaya government has set up a rationalization committee to review salary increase proposal for Samagra Shiksha SSA non-academic staff amid ongoing protests demanding an 80% hike. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma informed all the Meghalaya SSA Non-Teaching Staff Association AMSSA and TSA about a 20-member committee led by Commissioner and Secretary Vijay Kumar Mantri during a meeting at his office. US President Joe Biden assured Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu that US is committed to defending Israel's security against all threats from Iran after Hamas chief was killed in Iran. Biden emphasized efforts to de-escalate border tensions on a call with Netanyahu and discussed efforts to support Israel's defense against threats and to include new defensive US military deployments, White House stated today. Indian archers Ankita Bhagat and Dheeraj Boma Devara advanced to the mixed team event quarter-finals after defeating Indonesia's Dhyananda Koirinusa and Arif Pangitsuf at the Invalides. The duo seeded fifth won the first and third seeds while the second set ended in a tie. Their performance, including hitting 5-10, secured a place in the quarter-finals.